Yes, now fine guys. Okay, so come here. Okay, now come on the browser, right? Come on the browser and we will see that. Okay, we will see that the flow of our application, right? What is that? This one. Okay, now whenever we are making the request, right, we are getting this page, right? Yesterday we implemented this internationalization. See, whenever we are clicking Hindi, the all letter is becoming Hindi. Whenever we are clicking that Telugu, the things will become Telugu. Eurabia, this one will become Eurabia English, right? So internationalization. But this input, what we are doing now, after filling these inputs, right, after filling these inputs, what we are doing now, just what is that, after selecting that, this data is not storing in the database, guys. Okay na, this data is not storing what, in the database. Okay na, so what we will do now, we will store this data in the database. Okay na, after then we will retrieve it. Okay na, and the same page only we will get the message, okay, data is stored now. Okay, so for that, what we will do now, let's understand. Okay now, let's understand what is the data is there in the model class. In the model class, what data is there? Okay, so what is that, come in the employee, right, where the employee, this one, right, this one. Okay na, so inside that this data is there, right? What data? Employee ID, emp name, password, gender, employee address, employee country, right? So we have need to store this form, right? This form data we have need to store in the database. So for that, what we will do now, let's see that flow. Okay na, so flow we will see that. Okay na, and we will see the method statement also. First we will see the method statement of this application, guys. Okay na, so okay, so for that, come here, come the notepad. Okay, so think about that, this is our database, right? This is the database. In the database we have need to store, what is that, we have need to store our already employee table is there inside the database. What is that, employee table is there, right? Inside the database employee table is there, right? Inside that, what we will do now, we will store the data, right? We will store the data, right, based on the ID, right? How it will become now, think about that. Just this is what is that, eid, ename, e epwd, right, password. After then what is that, e gender, right, e gender, e e country, no country, no language, multiple e known, different table will create, right? E, what is that, e lang, right? E country, yeah, cont, just I'm writing e country, right? This is the data is there, right? These are the data is there. Okay na, this only data is there, right? id, after then what is that, name, password, gender, address, country, address, id, name, password, gender, country, EADDR, right? Address. This property is there, right? So we have need to put the data inside that, right? So for that, what is that? What method statement we have need to store whenever we are talking about that Spring ORM, any concept, right? Which concept we are using that, in which format we are performing the operation to saving the data in the object only, right, guys? So for that, so end user, think about that, this is our form, right? This is our form is there, right? This is our form is there. Okay now, from the form, whenever we will click the submit button, so we know that our IOC container is creating the object, right? Creating the object based on the this form, right? Based on this form, what is that, our IOC container is creating the object based on that, what is that, model class, right? Based on the model class. Okay na, so what is that, our model class, this one only, right? So this one only. Okay, so already we have the object, so we have need to store that object in the database. Okay na, so we have need to store the object in the database. So for that, what is that, so we have need to write the method statement, right? Method statement. So what we will do now, let's see that. Okay now, let's see that. So we will decide first, we will decide that what is the method statement will be, right? What is the method statement will be, to save the data, right? So to save the data, we know that public, what is that, public, save employee, right? Employee, right? Employee in the argument, what is that, what we are storing, employee object, right? employee object, emp, right? Employee object, this is the method statement will be there, right? This is the method statement, but its return type, what is that? After saving the data, what is that? Which kind of data we will get? Integer type. Its return type we will take, what is that? Integer, right? Integer. The return type will be, what is that? Integer only, right? Integer only. So for that, what is that? So what is the execution flow will be there, right? Whenever we will click this one, right? Whenever we will click the submit button, right? Whenever we will click the submit button, submit a register, submit a register button, right? So the request will go to controller, right? Controller, our controller class, okay na? Controller. After then, what is that? Our controller will talk to whom? Our service class, right? Our service class, okay na? Our controller will talk to whom? Service class. After then, what is that? Our service class talk to whom? DAO layer, right? DAO class, right? DAO layer. DAO layer. After then, our DAO layer, our DAO layer will perform uh, to save this object, right? To save this object in the database, right? To save the object in the database. Fine, okay na? So this is our execution flow of the first scenario, right, guys? So based on that, shall we write that logic? Shall we write the logic? And we will use like that method statement, right? This is our method statement. So we know that first, where from the where development will be start now, guys? Oh, recording. The recording is going on, guys. Okay, na? Recording is going on. Okay, na? So this is our execution flow of what? To saving the data, right? In the database. Okay, na, guys? So this is our execution flow of what? This is our execution flow of what is that? Data flow. Execution of what? Submitting the form data in the database. Okay, na? Okay, guys. So this is our execution flow of that. So shall we write the code? So but development we will start from the child only, right? DAO, right? So but we know that first interface we will write it. After then its implementation class we will write that logic. Okay, na, guys? So let's come to our project. Okay, guys, let's come in the project. Okay, guys, so now fine. Okay, so where we will go now? First, we will go the DAO interface, right? Open the DAO interface. Okay, guys. So I'm now opening now. Okay, so fine. What is that? What is that? Public integer. I'm taking the return type integer. Okay, na, because after saving that the data, our ORM framework will return what is that? ID, right? So for that, I'm taking what is that? Integer. What is that? Save. What is that? Sorry, employee, right? Save employee. Its argument, I'm taking the employee object only, right? Employee emp, right? So for that, okay, but this is the interface, and inside that interface we are taking what is that? Abstract method. We know that inside that interface we can't write the logic. So where we will write now? It's implementation class, guys. Okay, so it's implementation class where we will write the logic inside that its implementation class. Okay, na? So come inside its implementation class. Okay, na? Come in the its implementation class, guys. Okay. Okay, so okay, now Alt Shift S plus B. So now what is that? Override it. Okay, now override it. Okay, guys. So now I'm overriding it. Okay, the same method. Okay, so now fine. What we will do now here? What is that? HT dot. What is that? Save method is there, right? Save method is there. Inside that, what we will do now? EMP. Just we will pass the employee object. We will pass the employee object, and this one will return what is that? Integer, right? Integer id. But we know that by default what is that? It will return the object, right? So we have need to typecast. Okay, na? Type downcasting to perform the downcasting. Okay, I perform now, and what we will do now? Just return the id. Just return the id. Okay, that's it. That for that the DO layer operation is completed now. So but we have need to write the business logic. Okay, na? So but we have need to write the business logic. So okay, na? So where we will write the business logic? Inside that service class. So first what we will do now? So same operation we are going to perform in the service also. So for that, again, what is that? public, what is that, integer, right? We are going to perform the save operation only, right? So okay, so we will write that, okay now, save dot, what is that, save dot employee, save dot employee, save dot employee, okay na. So save dot employee, inside that employee we are saving the employee object only, right, emp, okay. So after then what is that, this is also interface, so where we will go now, it's implementation classes, okay na. So after then if we want to, then here only what is that, alt shift s plus v, we will override the super class method, okay guys. Now fine. So okay. So already DEO we have need to it's need our service class implementation class. We need, what is that, to interact with database, right? So what we will do now, DAO dot, what is that, we will call, what is that, save employee object, right? Inside that we will pass the EMP. After then this one will return what? This one will return, what is that, employee. Sorry, ID integer id, right? Integer id. Now fine guys, okay, so what we will do now, here id, but what operation we are going to perform now, non-select. So for that, what annotation again we will use, transaction, guys. I hope you people are remember this annotation, right? I hope you people are remember, just use the chat box. Okay, fine. So okay, so service layer also completed now guys, okay, service layer also completed now, okay. So now come to our controller class, okay, now come to our controller class, okay. So fine guys, okay, come in the controller class here only, right? So okay, fine. So already what we are doing now, already for the saving data, right, this method we already wrote it guys, okay now, we already completed this method, okay. So our operation is what we will do now, just we will write the logic inside that only, okay na. So here only, what is that here, employee it, if what is that, if validation is not correct, right, then it, what is doing now, what it's doing now, it's returning that, right, returning what, it's returning what, the same page, okay na, the same page. Ah yes, Satish, 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 very good. Service IMPL. Yeah, here I forget to use at the rate. Good observation. Good observation. Okay. Good observation. Good observation. Very good. Okay, na. So now fine, guys. To wire. Yeah, the thing is fine. So here, what is that? If error, until unless if error we will not resolve, right? Then it will return the same things. Okay. Okay, na. Same things. Okay, guys. Okay. So here, what we will do now, okay, yeah. After then what we will do now, the thing is here only, yeah. Inside that, what is that, we will call, what is that, service, right? Service dot, what is that, save employee, right? Save employee, and this employee we will save inside this one, okay na. We will save that one, okay na. Then what will happen now, this method we know that it will return the id, right? id, okay, id, it's written that, right? After then what we will do now, just we will do like this, okay. So what is that, we will take a string, what is that, a string, emp data, right? Emp data, okay guys, okay. Inside that, what we will do now, employee object, employee save, okay na. Employee save plus, what is that, id, this id we will take here only. After then what is that, save successfully, SUCCE. Okay guys, this is the, okay. So again what we will do now, just we will copy this one and we will pass here, okay, that's it, okay na. So then if our data is saved successfully, right? We will get this message plus in what is the id generated our database, right? What is the id generated our database, that id we will get. Okay na, please successful, this message we will get inside what, inside in which page, in which page, come here, right? Come here, already we in the last session we completed data page, right? On the data page we will get that message. Okay guys, so okay, now one operation now completed guys. Okay now let's run our application and we will see that we are getting the message or not, we are getting the message or not. Don't worry, still I will make this one as a project. Okay now I will make this one as a project. This is a not a just beginning things I'm giving to you people. Okay.
Ravi, voice, no, no
Sorry.
voice.
Sorry.
Okay, okay.
No, actually, the project I run that because of that. Okay, na. So don't worry about that.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so this,
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
yeah, it's okay. This is our form, right? This is our form. Okay, guys. So now this is our form. Okay, na. So what we will do now? Just put the here. What is that? Ravi. I'm putting the Ravi. Okay, na. Ravi. Another password. Just I'm taking 1 2 3 4. Anything. Okay, na. After then mail. After then address Mysore. Okay. So now country, I'm selecting the India, right? After then what is that? Hindi and English. I'm selecting now register button. Okay. So here still what is that? Minimum 10 character, right? Minimum address should be 10 character is there, guys. Why it's taking this one? Oh ho ho. Actually the space. Oh ho. Okay, no problem. I will write the logic. Okay, now I will write later logic. Don't worry, I will write why it's taking these things. Okay, I know that we taken the space, right? Oh, what is the null pointer exception? Where we are getting? Don't worry about that. Okay, the null pointer exception we are getting, right? Null pointer where we are getting the save employee. Save employee. Why we are getting? Okay, 1 minute. You tell the java.lang null pointer exception. Our DAO layer is throwing the null pointer exception, right? Come here. Oh. Oh, C boss at the rate AutoWire. AUTU. I forgot it AutoWire too, right? Because of that, we are getting. See, I said that directly. Who is throwing our DAO layer? I said that, right? See, by seeing the exception, also I have the capability to catch up, right? So like that, you people also become friend, okay na? Like that, you people also become, okay na? At the rate AutoWire, right? I use the Hibernate template, but AutoWire annotation, I forget to write it. What happened? Tomcat is not giving the response. Okay, guys, wait.
Server already running. Ravi.
Huh?
Server already running. Stop the server 1 second.
No, already stopped, man. Oh no. Tomcat the local host has encountered problem. Actually, you know what is the problem? My computer. Guys, just I will stop my screen sharing. After then running this, just I have need to run the application. Memory is less, okay? Na? Because of that, we are getting. Just I'm stopping the screen sharing. That's it, okay?
Okay, Ravi.
After running the application, we will. I will share now. Because of that, we are
Oh,
getting. Yes. Yeah. Now screen is visible, friend. Yeah. Screen is visible, everyone. Okay. So this is okay now. So now what is that? What is that? This is our page, right? Inside that, what we are going to do now? Just password, anything. After then mail. After then what is that? Address. After then what is that? India, Hindi. I'm selecting English, right? These two languages. Okay. Now submit again. Nested requested failed. Okay. Don't worry. Invalid data access API using writing. Oh, 1 minute. Commit auto or remove read only mark from the transaction definition. Why? Okay, the problem is, you know that, 1 minute, guys. Come to service class. I taken wrong transaction management. Okay, I will tell where the service implementation. Na? Don't worry, sometime these things, okay, na? Come here, okay, na? So here, what is that? No, Spring transaction annotation only we taken, right? Spring only, guys. ORG Spring Framework Transaction Annotation Transactional. Same, that's correct. And what we are doing now, we are performing non-select operation. We are performing non-select operation, but still why we are getting this problem? No, Suraj. Everything is fine only. Don't worry, okay, na? We will resolve it. At the rate transactional. This is right. Delete it. Oh, it's my mistake, guys. It's my mistake. Okay. So I think you people are remembered, not remembered or not. Okay. Come to configuration class. Where the configuration class? Same. Here, everything code is our fine, guys. Code is our fine. Code inside our code, there is no problem. Okay, now where the problem? now come to where the configuration class. Okay, configuration class. I hope you people remember, right? So here we have need to, what is that, increase, what is iterate transactional management, right? Transaction management, one annotation is there, right? Transaction enable, sorry, enable, what is that? Enable transaction management. In the Spring ORM I used, guys. I hope you people remember this annotation also. I forget it to see that how I recognize the things. Okay, na? I hope you people are remembered, right? Yeah, I forget it to write inside that application configuration. Because of that, we are getting that kind of error, guys. Okay, na? Okay, now let's again run the same application. Okay, same. Don't worry. By seeing that, see, if you have the capacity to resolve the error in the Java, means you have the knowledge. Means it's this things is denoting you are too good in the Java, right? By seeing the error, see how we are understanding where we did mistake, how we did mistake. Okay, na? So please habituate with the errors. If you have the capacity to resolve the error, means you are the good in something, you are there in your mind related to Java. Okay, wait it now, it the things will work. I hope enable transaction management in the configuration in the Spring ORM when I was taught at the time, right? Okay, come here. Okay, so what is that? So now, okay, yeah, what we will do now, Amit, anything, mail, okay, India, Hindi, English, save it. Array, what is that? Card save, nested, ID, identifier, IDs for the 1 minute, guys. Calling save. Here it's saying that model employee. Okay. Oh, how much I did mistake, guys. ID, come here. Okay, come to model class. Okay, come to model class. I hope you people auto-generated. Yes, very good, Padma. Really appreciated your effort. Okay, come here, right? Come here. Okay. So what we will do now? At the rate generated value annotation we will take. Okay, na? So our IOC. Array. Okay, guys. Now the thing is completed. Now in this time our application will run. Okay, guys. So first time. Okay, na? See that. Okay, run up our application. Okay, na? Run our application. Okay, finish it. Now things will work. In this time, definitely. Let's see that. Be patient. If in the software sector, right, patience also need, guys. Okay, na? Patience also need, because too much things is there. Every time, every concept will be not there in the mind, right? By seeing, but make your capability like that. By seeing the error, you can resolve your problem. These things is need, and these things will come based on the practical, guys. See how I am understanding by seeing the error and all those things, where I did mistake, what the mistake we are doing now. So okay, na? So uh, guys, I'm stopping the screen sharing. Okay, na? After running the application again, I will do that. Yeah, now I'm sharing the screen. Now screen is visible, guys. Let me know that. Okay, so here what we will do now? So, okay,
Noor, please.
visible, right? Yeah. Okay, so here what is
Yes, Ravi.
Amit, here password is something mail. After then what is that? This one. After then India, Hindi and English. I'm choosing now. Okay, na? So submit it. Yeah. Employee uh, save one successfully, right? Save one successfully. Let's come to database, guys. Okay, come to database. This is our database, right? Let's refresh it. I'm refreshing it now. Here, refresh it. What is that? Language is come based on the index, right? Position of index 0 1, right? Because we taken the list and we know that list is the index collection, right? Hindi and English, two things I selected, and ID we will become, what is that? ID is what? 1 1, right? 1 1. Okay, so what is that? What is that? Come here in the employee language, right? Employee language. See the data. What is that? Sorry, no, this one. Okay, so what is that? One, employee gender male, employee address is this one, employee company country, right? India, employee name Amit, and employee password is this one I taken, right? So the data is came, and here we got the message also on the browser. Okay, na? We got the message also on the browser. Employee save one successfully. Okay, na? This message is little bit ugly. Don't worry, we will correct later. Okay, so okay, so now fine. So okay, so but what is that? This is little bit not good, friend. Okay, na? Because if the same this one is coming on the different page. Okay, na? So what we will do now, let's do some correction in the controller, right? Let's do the some correction in the controller. We will delete this dot JSP only, right? We will delete this this data JSP. Okay, na? No need. Okay, so come to controller. So what we will do now, we will return this message, the same message we will return in the this one employee page only, right? Employee page only. So for what we will do now, we will paste this page name here. Okay, na? We will paste this page name here. And what we will do now, okay, na? What we will do now, because multiple at the time of, if we want to store multiple employee object in the database, at the time problem is there, right? Because of that I'm saying that. So we make the our project readable format, not a ugliest format, right? So okay, so what we are going to do now, I'm returning the same employee form only, right? But without error. If error will come, we will get the red symbol here only, right? We are getting the red symbol on the browser, right? On the browser. Okay, so okay, I'm returning the same page, and the message is, what is that? Employee. And we will in the this page only, what we will do now, come on the down, come on the down. Here only we will get the message, one message out of dollar symbol. Okay, na? So dollar symbol, after then what is that? We will paste this message. Okay, na? Here only we will get the message. And control a little bit, make this one as a employee ID, right? Here this one, this message we will get, and save here, write the save. Okay, so this is message we will get. Okay, na? So fine. So okay, so fine, guys. Okay, now let's run one more time application. Okay, let's run the application again. Let's run the same application. Okay, don't worry, still this is the first operation, still multiple things is there. After ending it will look like one project. Okay, na? So be patient, listen, just think, see that the things. Okay, after 1 minute the meeting will end, guys. Okay, so many concept is there. Okay, please come back, please come back and join the meeting, and we will enjoy our last MBC sessions. Okay, na? We will enjoy it. Yes, come here. Okay, so what is that? Save. So right, so okay,